The Press Information Bureau, in collaboration with the Shillong Press Club, organized a Vartalap, a workshop exclusively for media persons on union and state budgets in Shillong on Saturday. C. Songate, GST Commissioner Shillong, attended the program as the chief guest. Professor Neelam Rani, Associate Professor Finance IIM Shillong, dwelt on various aspects of the union budget. Dr. D. War Thank You, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, NEHU, elaborately discussed on the Union Budget 2022 and the State Budget 2022. Experts from the Central GST Commissionerate Shillong, Debashish Modak and Jenny Kaulening, spoke on various aspects of GST and how it is implemented in the state. At the outset of the program, Gopachi Das, Media and Communication Officer PIB Shillong, delivered the welcome speech highlighting significance of the program.
This is a very good and welcoming move. And we also have the youth budget. This is also the need of the hour. It shows how much the government is sincere in investing in our future, that is the youth.